So coming to question number 7, yes, let A and B two sets containing two elements and four elements respectively. The number of subsets of A cross B having three or more elements is what? Okay, this is my question here. A very simple question. A cross B. A is having how much? 2. B is having how much? 4. The number of subsets of A cross B having 3 or more elements, in the sense at least. Okay, the condition here is what? At least. That we have to know. First thing. Minimum of 3, or if not at most 3 or more elements. Okay, totally how many elements it can have? 8, because A can have 2 and B can have 4. A cross B is what? 4 into 2, 8. So I'll be doing this question now. Yes. A cross B is nothing but what? 8. The question is greater than or equal to 3 elements. Correct? Yes. So totally it can be what? We can get it as 8C3. Combination. This is of combination here. Just like probability where we'll have 8 this thing, right? In probability there is something called Bernoulli's trials. The same application only is this also. 8C3 plus 8C4 plus 8C5 plus 8C6, this is my plus 8C6 plus 8C7 plus 8C8. Okay, 8C3 is very easy for me to do. Either I can use this 8 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. Correct? 8C4 is what? 8 into, so this is not 8 into 4 into 3, this is 8 into 7 into 6. Wait, let me just cancel this. Yeah. 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3. 8C4 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus 8C5. 8C5 is same as 8C3 because 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So this is same as 8C3. Okay. 8C6 is same as 8C2. 8 minus 6 is what? This is 8C3 plus 8C2. 8C2. Because this is 8 minus 6 is what? 2 here. 8C, so 8 minus 7 is what? 1. So this is same as 8C1. This is shortcuts here. 8 minus 8, 0. 8C0 is always 1. This plus 1. Okay, so if you're able to do these things, we will get the answer in this. So 2 3 is 6, so I'm just cancelling the 6 out. Correct, this is my 8C3 value, this particular thing. Yes, so here also what I can do, I can cancel the 6 out. Correct, I can cancel what? 4 into 2, 8. Yes, and what is my 8C2? 8 into 7 by 1 into 2. So if you do all of these things, you will get the answer as what? 2, 1, 9 respectively. How many of you is not clear with this? Should tell me now. Not clear with this should tell me now. You can tell me very clearly. Not clear or did not understand. So the only doubt we can apply, I'll tell you, the only doubt we will have is why we are using this combination. Very valid question, highly valuable question this is. Okay. So a very valid question is why we need combination here, or how to know in this question we need combination. Okay, for that we need to understand a concept that is called Bernoulli's trial. Switch on my video. Okay, Bernoulli's trials. Where do we apply these Bernoulli's trials? Correct. For example, let's take a family has got 2 kids. Family has got 2 kids. Okay, so then we can easily write a sample space, right? Boy, boy, girl, girl, boy, girl, girl, boy. Correct? Yes? Am I correct? I can write the possibilities of the outcome of the children, right? Yes. But if a family has got 8 children, can I write sample space of that thing? Boy, 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 up to 8. It is very difficult, right? The combinations are less or it will be more. It will be too long. It will be very long, correct? For that purpose, Bernoulli has developed a method. You got the point, correct? Now for the condition here. In my question, the condition is what? X. The condition is x greater than or equal to 3. For example, come back to the question here. Come back to the question here. A cross B. A cross B is totally what? 8. So number of trials here is 8. Number of trials here is 8. So there is a simple equation here. What I'll write it on next page. NCX P power X Q power N minus X, where N is the number of trials, correct? P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure. And X is my condition. X is what? My condition here. Very important here. Okay, X is what my condition here. So coming back to the question, guys, what is my condition here? Having 3 or more elements, in the sense at least. So the condition should be X should be greater than or equal to 3. So P of X greater than or equal to 3. This is a probability thing. So this is nothing but what? The probability of what? X is equal to 3, correct? Plus P of X is equal to 4, plus what? P of X is equal to 5, X is equal to 6, and so on. But the probability of success and failure, this is not about our heads or tails, correct? It is not about our heads or tails here. Only in heads or tails we got, in a coin we got success and failure. This is about some other thing. This is much below the level of that, correct? So for that purpose, I used what? 8C3 directly. It's a combination thing. Just like our combination is what? For example, just take the same thing. What is it? Boy, boy, girl, girl. This is the combination, correct? It can be either way in a family. Yes or no? It need not be that the elder child should be girl, or it need not be that elder child should be boy. It can be any way. That is combination. Permutation in the sense it is fixed. If in the sense girl should be the elder child, that is fixed. That is my permutation thing. But here it is purely combination. You got the point. So this is a theory behind this. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Since you asked me the theory, this is the theory behind this. When the number of trials is greater than 3, we use something called Bernoulli's trials, where the equation of but P of X is equal to that condition, NCX P power X Q power N minus X, where N is the number of trials, P is the probability of success, and Q is the probability of failure, respectively. That's it. Is it clear to everyone? And you can do this and let me know. Combination, very easy. And one more doubt where we can have is, how this 8C7 I written as 8C1? Correct? For that also I'll tell you the thing. Okay, simple concept in this. 8C7. So what I do, I multiply 8 into 9, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 8C7, right? So 7 times 8 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more thing I write into 2. Correct? So in the sense, I have to cancel out each and everything in this. Correct? 7 I have to cancel here. 6 I have to cancel this. 5 I have to cancel this. 4 I have to cancel. 3 I have to cancel. 2 I have to cancel. So what is remaining? 8. So this is my 8C7. So what is my 8C1? That is 8 by 1. Aren't these answers same? That's how we subtract 8C7 is nothing but what? 8 minus 7, that is 1. That is nothing but 8C1. That's how I'm writing these things. This is one more doubt that we can have in this particular problem. Yeah. So but if you just take it a very small thing, it's a very simple problem. Okay, it's not at all a complex thing. So entrance questions are not at all complex or complicated. It's the way we approach and think. You got the point? Yeah. So that's it. You'll get the answers 290. But again, answer is not important for us. The method is very important. That's it.